Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling fan or the coolant blower motor on BMW X5 E70 3 liters diesel. The cooling fan is located behind the radiator and the AC condenser. It's located right there. To get access to the cooling fan, first we need to remove this air intake pipe and also this metal plate that's held by 4 bolts. We're going to start removing the 4 bolts holding this metal plate. Next we're going to remove this air intake pipe. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we're going to remove the air intake pipe along with this metal plate. Next we're going to remove the cooling fan. First we'll start by disconnecting the electrical connector. That's the electrical connector right there. There is 2 tabs on the 2 sides that we need to press in and pull out the connector. The cooling fan is held by two plastic tabs that we need to push in order to release the cooling fan. That's the tab right there, and that's where you need to push it in, where I'm pressing with my finger, and the same on the other side. On the other side it's just there, just underneath that coolant hose. In order to remove the cooling fan, first we're going to need to remove this air intake hose. It's held by 2 metal clamps, but in order to get to them, we're going to first remove the engine cover. Now we're going to remove the metal clamps holding the air intake hose. That's one of them, and the other one is just down there, just this one there. And now that the 2 metal clamps are removed, we're going to take out the air intake hose. And now the lower part of the air intake hose is free to move, so it will be no problem to take out the cooling fan. Now I'll show you again where the 2 tabs are on the cooling fan. One of the tabs is right there, and you just press it in with your finger and then pull up the cooling fan, and the same on the other side. I'm going to push in those tabs with a screwdriver and then pull out the cooling fan. Here you can see the cooling fan is moving on this side. Now I'm going to release the tab, pushing the tab on the other side, and then pull out the cooling fan. The cooling fan is free on the other side as well, so now all we need to do is take out the cooling fan. You might want to wiggle it a little bit, maybe there is some cables that are attached on the cooling fan that we need to remove, and it will come out eventually. And that's the cooling fan out. Next I'm going to show you the part number for it, and then we're going to put the cooling fan back on. Now we're going to put the cooling fan back on. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. You just put it in there and it should click into those tabs, and then assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.